Nestled in the heart of Maharashtra, near Aurangabad, lies one of India's greatest treasures, the Ellora Caves. A marvel of art, faith, and engineering, these caves have stood the test of time for over 1,000 years. But what makes Ellora so unique, even compared to other rock cut wonders? Let's embark on this fascinating journey. The Ellora Caves are not just a collection of rock-cut monuments, they are a testament to ancient India's ingenuity and religious harmony. Constructed between the 6th and 10th centuries, these 34 caves represent three major faiths: Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. Patronized by the Rashtrakuta dynasty, the caves served as places of worship and meditation. The records suggest that artisans, masons, and sculptors worked tirelessly over decades, carving directly into basalt rock. What sets Ellora apart is its sheer scale and multi-faith representation, unlike other ancient rock-cut structures that are often dedicated to a single faith. Perhaps the crown jewel of Ellora is Cave 16, the Kailas Temple. Imagine carving an entire temple, a structure 3 times the size of the Parthenon in Athens, out of a single rock. This feat was achieved using top-down excavation. Craftsmen meticulously sculpted their way downward, ensuring no mistakes. Intricate carvings of deities, mythical creatures, and scenes from the Ramayana and Mahabharata adorn every inch of this masterpiece. While other rock-cut temples like the ones in Ajanta or Patra showcase architectural marvels, Kailas stands unmatched in its scale, complexity, and the precision of its carvings. Ellora isn't just about architecture, it's about devotion. For Buddhists, the serene halls of Cave 10, also known as the Vishwakarma Cave, evoke a sense of peace with its impressive stupa. The Jain caves, such as Cave 32, reflect ascetic ideals with their minimalist yet intricate art, emphasizing purity and spiritual discipline. Unlike other sites, Ellora brings these spiritual expressions of three faiths into one harmonious setting, a feature unparalleled in any other ancient rock-cut complex. Ellora is a symbol of India's rich tapestry of religious coexistence. Within a few kilometers, we see monuments celebrating the diverse beliefs of Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism coexisting peacefully. This integration, rare in other similar complexes, makes Ellora a beacon of unity and diversity. Today, Ellora continues to inspire millions. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, drawing scholars, pilgrims, and tourists from around the globe. The Ellora Caves remind us of the timeless bond between art, faith, and human endeavor. Compared to other wonders like the Ajanta Caves or Patra, Ellora's unique combination of artistic grandeur and spiritual inclusivity sets it apart as a masterpiece of human achievement. So, the next time you seek a journey into history and spirituality, remember, the Ellora Caves await you, ready to share their eternal secrets.